Okay, so I just did my workout. Well, like half of it. Might save the rest for later because Greg wants to go to the gym. But I'm gonna start this cleaning process by cleaning my car. So I got this shop vac. Went to the car wash last night and did everything, but I didn't have quarters for the vacuum. And the other car wash we go to normally takes my card, so that was so annoying. Whatever. I'm an actual idiot. I opened this and I was like about to start and I was like, wait, there's no hose. And I just like tore through the box trying to find it, and I was like, there's no way. I just bought one and it didn't have a hose. Had a little panic attack, and then I realized it could be inside here, so I opened it. Sure enough. So silly. 2 attachments, those are cool. Got this at Walmart for like 30 bucks. Okay, it took me an hour to do all of that. Now is kind of the part that has been giving me the most anxiety, but I'm excited for, and that's cleaning the entire apartment. Spike will not stop crying, but luckily I have something for him. Put peanut butter in a Kong last night and then we froze it. So this will be his treat that he can, it's gonna take forever for him to lick. Are you bad boy or good boy? No, sit. Take home. I always get so much anxiety cleaning, like I'm really scattered. Like I know I have a little bit of OCD and ADHD. So yeah, we're gonna start with the bathroom. I'm gonna put some music on and get going. I'm with nobody else. So I always start by putting all of the towels and the rug and everything in the washer. And then start taking everything out, and I'm just gonna put it like in the hallway. Then I took this cleaning bottle, it was empty. So I mixed it with water, bleach, and like a little bit of soap. And that's kind of my cleaning solution for the bathroom. One of my biggest pet peeves is, especially since we live in our rental, is like the grout and everything is like so dirty. Trim is so dirty. And then on top of that, there's dog hair just being smeared. Okay, I saw this hack online. I don't know, I watched this like video of how professional housekeepers like clean. Put a microfiber towel on your Swiffer after spraying the mirror. I have no idea if this is gonna work or not. And then you clean it this way. You don't have to reach so much. This feels kind of counterproductive. I hope this was a clean towel. I thought it was. Okay, it's clearing up a little bit. Okay, that actually worked really well. Should go do the mirror in my bedroom really quick. Okay, I put all the stuff back. All I gotta do is sweep and mop. Honestly, this stuff's already like pretty organized. I guess if anything, it's a little dusty, but then like everything down here is fairly organized already. I don't know, this kind of looks like a mess. I'm just gonna spray some of this on the ground before I mop. Mainly around the toilet. You guys seen the memes that's like when you have guests coming over and you need to change out your trash bags from from Walmart to Target so they don't think you're poor. All right, she's done. I'm waiting on the towels and the rug and the washer. For now, I like to just turn the light off and close the door so that Spike's not like licking the bleached floor. And then yeah, move on to the bedroom. The bedroom's probably the easiest for me to clean. As you can see, it's already fairly clean. It's just mainly like the dog hair sweeping and stuff, lint roller and my Swiffer. bedroom is definitely done. Is it clean? There's always gonna be dog hair, like regardless. I freaking swept. I normally wash the bedding, but I've washed it so much lately. So I'm gonna give it a break. It's not that dirty. And I just like lint rolled it. Now, the hardest part is obviously like the big open area, the living area and the kitchen. So I just hit 2 hours. I've been timing this as a workout just to see like how many calories I'll burn and like how long it actually takes me to clean everything. So yeah, I guess let's get into it. Real quick, one thing I forgot I was gonna do is dust the fan. I'm really scared. Oh boy. I've been noticing like I get a sore throat a lot in the morning. Oh my gosh, I don't think this has ever been freaking dusted. Now we're done. All right, like I said, I'm trying to take it just like one room at a time. So I'm gonna sweep and dust the hallway. No! Should I try and dust this thing? Crazies. I'm gonna sweep in here and in here next. Spike's always gotta lay in my pile, right? This is literally just from the hallway. This is the next area of interest. Here, my nice desk. I guess what I'm gonna do is just wipe down the surface. I take everything off. All Logic's book. Second book. This is autobiography. I have literally 30 pages left. I read like almost all of it yesterday. It's like 360 pages, but at some point tonight I'm gonna finish that. Well, I don't want to throw them out. They're so pretty. I have this junk drawer. You want more peanut butters? Sorry, I can't give you all of it. You're gonna get fat. So, let's try and figure this thing out. That's a little better. Next, I'm gonna vacuum. I was going to use the shampooer on the couch, but I think I'm gonna use the shop vac. I'm gonna like spray down and like wipe down whatever's dirty, and then I think I'm gonna use the shop vac that I used in my car because it has like a really nice brush. And Spike's got his t-shirt on. I don't think Kim's happy about it, but yep, I'm gonna vacuum. We're also on almost 3 hours. Okay, I have this stuff that my friend gave me, pet odor eliminator. Just gonna spray it all over the couch and then vacuum it, I guess. Oh, that looks so good. Literally, shop vac doesn't have to be for the shop. This is a really cheap rug from Walmart, or not Walmart, sorry, Target. But if I throw it in the wash and dry it, like honestly, it holds up pretty good. Oh, just makes bathroom feels so much better, and it smells like bleach in here, which is so satisfying to me because it smells like, Graydon says it smells like a condo, which makes me feel so good. It's like we're on vacation, but it's my own place. The clean hand towel, bath towels. These don't really match, so I'm putting these little pillowcases over them. Oh my gosh, that worked perfect. Also, I vacuumed the poop out of these. I'll show you guys. So you get the big pillowcase, and all you do, lift it up and tug it. I hope it stays. Oh my gosh, my couch is so clean. This is the serotonin that my body craved. With all of my friends I've ever had, like, in comparison to the show Friends, I always thought I was Rachel, but like secretly, I'm Monica. I know I'm Monica. Like, the way that she is about cleaning is exactly how I am, which is supposed to be comedic, but in my personal experience, it's been kind of crippling. I gotta mop this area, and then all I have left really is the kitchen. Yeah, let's get to it. I have to mop first so that I can put these chairs down so that I can wipe the counter. I'm still going to kind of clean up the porch, try and clean out the garage, and then I'm gonna try and organize some clothes. This is gonna be like a 5-hour ordeal. I'm already at almost 4 hours. That's so satisfying. Just gonna start taking everything off so I can wipe down the counter. One other thing, you can take these out, and I like to clean those. Ew. If I wipe the stuff off, I gotta dry it, or it'll be like super streaky. Guess I'm cleaning out the fridge now. Y'all, this is easily the cleanest my apartment has ever been, even like before I moved in, or when we moved in. In case you were wondering, it took me 5 hours and 10 minutes, and I burned 763 calories, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I'll give you a little rundown. It smells like bleach in here. Super clean. I guess I could flush this. Wow, I haven't used the toilet in 5 hours. That's crazy to think about. Even the laundry room is clean, which like never gets cleaned. Everything is spick and span. There's a lot of things I didn't film because this literally took me 5 hours to do, but closet's organized. I couldn't imagine if my apartment was actually like really dirty. Like it would take me 10 hours to clean this good. Like double, so. And then I didn't really do much in here. I feel like it's pretty good. I really don't feel like organizing Graydon's shoes, so. And now you guys seen me do all of my toxic behaviors. But Graydon's gonna be home in like an hour, so I should probably like get cleaned up and act like I didn't spend all day doing this. So, see you guys next time. Bye.